headed off to the Magic Kingdom. I'm by myself again because nobody else has Mondays off, so I do all my stuff on Mondays usually. And right now I'm at the Polynesia. I'm going to hop on the monorail to the Magic Kingdom. I am at the Magic Kingdom, and the first thing I want to do is head over to Haunted Mansion for my 10:50 Fast Pass. Afterwards, I want to ride on the Liberty Boat. I haven't done that yet. And I only did that once ever with on Dapper Day, 2014. Then I have other fast passes to use, and I'm leaving here around 2, so I can take the bus back. I mean, I think it's a 2:30 bus or whatever. I don't really know, but grocery bingo is later this afternoon, so I'm gonna finally go to that.
Welcome everyone to Main Street, USA, and our celebration of the most wonderful time of the year.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Decided I'm going to do the river boat first since it's about to leave, and I had my fast pass for an hour, so off to the Liberty Boat right over here. I'm on the river boat. There's a seated area in there. You can see Tom Sawyer Island. Then you go upstairs. It was really hot today. I don't really want to go upstairs in the sun. And there's a downstairs as well, down there. And I'm just going to stay on the main deck. The downstairs leads you to the front of the boat. But yeah, this should be a fun trip. Decided to come on the lower deck and have a seat. And so I'll be at the front of the boat. Hey guys, you know it's peak season when Golden Oak Outpost is open, Tortuga Tavern is open, and Diamond Horseshoe is open. I was going to do Pirates, but the Fast Pass line was really backed up. I know from experience that Fast Pass line will be 20-25 minutes. So I'm just going to get some souvenir pennies, go on the treehouse, come back a little later for my Fast Pass. They got new merchandise. I like that one, but it's for kids. But they're really cute. I didn't really vlog much today, but I did go on Space Mountain. I had some extra Fast Passes, and they expired today, since it's November 30th. And I gave them away to some families, which I made some magic. Otherwise, I'm headed out of the park. I'm headed to grocery bingo. This vlog is probably not too exciting, but I'm sorry. It's more exciting when I have people to go with, but nobody's ever off on Mondays, so most of my videos are filmed on Mondays when I'm off. But, oh, here's the Philharmonic, if you want to see them. Right there. Oh, there you go. So I'm headed out and to grocery bingo, so hopefully I win, so see you real soon. Hey guys, so I went to grocery bingo and I won. So let's see what's inside it. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Bag number 1. Pretzels, jelly, tea, lemonade, ramen, wheat thins, crackers, and cereal. That's bag number 1. Then this bag, let's get to the other one first. It's easier to open. We got bread, mac and cheese, rice-a-roni, spaghetti and meatballs, peanut butter, applesauce, chicken noodle soup, tuna, Publix Pop-Tarts, I think, Oreos, and Cheez-Its. Be right back. Gotta open the other bag first. And we're back. We got deodorant, toilet paper, fabric softener sheets, kitchen garbage bags, and hold on, toothpaste. So I got a lot. I'm so happy. I went to so many, my last program. It's a mess right now, but yay, I won.